Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in making pork embutido. Let's do it. Now let's do the mixing of the ingredients. Let's do our egg first. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3 eggs. All right, and let's put our green and red bell pepper, carrots. It's beautiful color. Onions, our cheese, relish, the raisins, breadcrumbs, and let's put a little bit of salt here, pepper, okay, and our tomato sauce. We don't put too much of the tomato sauce, just for coloring. We're gonna mix this by hand, and we'll be right back. Now here's the mixture, and this is ready to be rolled. We're gonna form a cylinder on each, and we will steam this for 1 hour. Now we're gonna make a cylinder shape here, and let's put I should say 3 spoonfuls. Okay. All right, and then we will flatten this, spread it a little bit. Okay. We will form a cylinder here. Okay. Yeah, it's flattened now. Now we're gonna put the egg and sausage in the middle. Okay. Put the sausage in. Put 1 piece of egg. Sausage in. We'll make it alternate. Put egg. Sausage there. And egg. Okay, now we will roll this. All right, so it should be in the middle now. So we're gonna just roll this. Okay, like that. We're gonna lock the one end, and we're gonna squish the other end. So it's tight now, and it's like this. So we're gonna do this for everything, and we're gonna steam it for 1 hour. Now our embutido is ready for steaming. We're gonna steam this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's check our embutido. Yeah, this is done. Okay, we're gonna transfer this into a serving dish, and we'll be right back. This is the finished product, pork embutido. Please share this recipe And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for future videos. Have a good day.